Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna. This is My Witchy Kitchen and today we are going to be making buttermints. So let's get making. But look at these little guys. They're so cute. I haven't tried any of them yet. I wanted to try a buttermint. I've had the cream cheese mints before, and I find that they're a lot firmer than the buttermints, but let's give it a try. The buttermints melt in your mouth. That's for sure. And it has that richness because of the butter. I was afraid I had added too much peppermint, but that's the perfect consistency because it's like you get a subtle taste of peppermint, but it's very sweet. Yeah, I like these. They're cute. And these are super easy to make and makes quite a bit. And it would make a nice little gift for somebody. It would be a good activity to have with kids. Maybe next time I'll use a mold though, because trying to roll these out, the butter kept making it really sticky and hard to roll. So I'm thinking maybe using molds the next time. You don't even have to add the food coloring. You could just leave them as their like creamy white color. But I just wanted to add the color for a more festive look. So yeah, there you go. Buttermints. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. So if you're looking to make something for the holidays or for New Year's, this is definitely the recipe for you. Thank you for coming by my channel and for supporting my channel. If you like witchy cooking videos or witchy videos in general, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day that you deserve. Toodles for now, my witchies.